Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. So, I got told I was a complete idiot for doing this on camera. Using electrical tape on these swivel sockets so that they kind of stay where you want them, and you can bring them down into places and get your socket on whatever it is you're doing. And how no real mechanic would do that. Well, I'm here to tell you that these tools belong to, I'm pretty sure, a real mechanic. They're Snap-on tools. Got a good deal on them. They will be sold on eBay, on the eBasement eBay site. It's my wife's eBay site. But regardless, I thought I'd show that to you, that I'm not the only person that actually ever did that, and there was another one in here, a 1/2-inch one, that he did the same thing to, and it works. And obviously I'm not the only person that thinks it works, and I wasn't the first person to obviously do it, because somebody else did it. This is one of those exact ideas where there's nothing new under the sun. Everybody has an idea, and lots of people have the same ideas. So there you go. Now you know. Snap-on tools. I will show you in case you're doubting that as well. I don't know, hopefully you can see that. Snap-on tools, I got whole bunches of them. Those ones I already got out. There you go, Snap-on wrenches. Bunch of Snap-on tools. I know you're jealous, but regardless. So go check out my Jack of All Tips and Tricks playlist on my channel. And I got a bunch of different things like this that are tips and tricks on how to make things easier for yourself in the real world. And for all of you that I'm sure are going to say, well, that was just one of his and he's faking it, there you go. You can see all the goo on there. And right here, I hope you can see that, it says Snap-on right on there. Most of you will be able to just look at that and know it's a Snap-on socket, so, or swivel, or extension, or U-joint, or whatever you want to call it. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.